What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need editing skills to create pro-level YouTube videos? Today, I'll show you the top 3 AI video editors that do the hard work for you, even if you've never touched editing software before. For years, the biggest barrier to starting a YouTube channel wasn't a lack of ideas. It was the steep, intimidating mountain of learning traditional video editing. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve is incredibly powerful, but they come with 1,000 buttons, a complex timeline, and a learning curve that can take months, if not years, to master. A simple 10-minute video could easily take 5 or 6 hours of cutting, color grading, sound mixing, and adding graphics. That's a massive time commitment, especially when you're also trying to script, film, and promote your content. This lengthy process is where many aspiring creators burn out and give up before they even get a chance to find their audience. This is where AI video editors are changing the game for YouTubers. These tools are built on a simple but revolutionary premise. What if you could focus on your message and let intelligent software handle the technical heavy lifting? They slash editing time from hours to minutes. They're often more affordable than professional software suites, and most importantly, they are designed for creators, not professional Hollywood editors. The rise of AI video editing isn't about replacing creativity, it's about unlocking it for everyone. It allows you to produce more content, faster, and at a higher quality than was ever possible before, leveling the playing field and letting your ideas, not your technical skills, be the star of the show. Let's start with our first game changer, Descript. The simplest way to understand Descript is this. If you can edit a Word document, you can edit a video. That's not just a marketing line, it's literally how the software works. When you import your video, Descript automatically transcribes the audio with stunning accuracy. You're then presented with your video, not as a complex timeline of clips, but as a simple text document. Want to cut a section where you stumbled over your words? You don't hunt for the right spot on a timeline. You just find the words in the transcript, highlight them, and hit delete. The corresponding video and audio are instantly gone. It's that intuitive. But that's just the beginning. One of its most mind-blowing features is called overdub. Imagine you've finished editing and you realize you said a word wrong, or you need to add a quick sentence for clarity. In the past, this meant setting up your camera and lights all over again for a tiny reshoot. With overdub, you can simply type the new word or sentence, and Descript's AI will generate it in a clone of your own voice. It sounds futuristic, but it's incredibly practical and saves an unbelievable amount of time. Then there's the automatic filler word remover. We all do it. We say, and other verbal tics. Going through and cutting each one manually is tedious. Descript can identify every single filler word in your video and remove them with a single click, instantly tightening up your delivery and making you sound more confident and professional. It even includes a fantastic screen recorder, making it an all-in-one solution for anyone creating tutorials, software demos, or online courses. You record, it transcribes, and you edit by text. So, who is Descript perfect for? It's a dream come true for podcasters turning their audio into video, for educators creating lesson content, and for any talking head YouTuber whose content is primarily dialogue-driven. It excels at cleaning up interviews, presentations, and monologues. The main drawback is that it's not designed for highly visual, cinematic editing. You won't be creating flashy action sequences or complex visual effects here. Its strength lies in its speed and simplicity for narrative content. As a use case, picture this. You finish a 1-hour Zoom interview. You upload it to Descript. In minutes, you have a full transcript. You read through it, deleting entire sections of conversation that weren't relevant. You run the filler word remover to clean up the audio. You use overdub to correct a guest's name you mispronounced. In under 30 minutes, you've transformed a raw recording into a polished, tightly edited YouTube video, a task that would have taken at least 3 to 4 hours in traditional software. That is the power of Descript. Next up, let's talk about OpusClip. This tool tackles a different but equally massive problem for YouTubers: content repurposing. You spend hours creating a fantastic 20-minute video, but you also know you need to be posting on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels to maximize your reach. How do you find the time to create unique content for each platform? OpusClip's answer is, you don't have to. Its entire purpose is to be an AI-powered viral clip machine. You take your long-form video, whether it's a podcast, an interview, a tutorial, or a vlog, and you feed it into OpusClip. The AI then gets to work analyzing the entire video. It doesn't just cut it randomly. It looks for what it determines to be the most engaging and hook-worthy moments. It identifies key topics, emotional peaks in your voice, and sections that are likely to capture a viewer's attention in the first 3 seconds. Based on this analysis, it automatically generates a dozen or more ready-to-post short-form clips. But it doesn't stop there. OpusClip understands the aesthetic of short-form content. It automatically reframes the horizontal video into a vertical format, using face tracking to ensure the speaker is always centered. It adds dynamic, animated captions, which are absolutely essential for viewer retention on mobile. It even sprinkles in relevant emojis and transitions to make the clips feel native to the short-form platforms. The AI also generates a virality score for each clip, giving you an idea of which ones have the highest potential to perform well, so you can prioritize what to post first. The biggest pro of OpusClip is its sheer efficiency for growth. It's the ultimate tool for any creator who wants to build an audience across multiple platforms without creating new content from scratch. If you host a podcast, you can turn one episode into a week's worth of shorts. If you create educational content, you can pull out the most valuable tips as standalone clips. The primary con is that it is not a full video editor. You can't use it to create your long-form video. You can only use it to break that video down. It's a specialized tool for a very specific but very important job. Here's a perfect example. You've just published a 20-minute tutorial on a new software. You upload it to OpusClip, and within 10 minutes, it returns 5 brilliant 1-minute shorts. One shows the most common mistake, another a little-known shortcut, and a third your final verdict. Each clip is perfectly formatted, captioned, and ready to go. You've just created 5 high-value pieces for your Shorts channel in the time it takes to check your email. That is smart content creation. Next, we have Runway, which feels like stepping into the future of AI video editing. While Descript focuses on text-based efficiency and OpusClip on repurposing, Runway is about creative power and visual magic. It's the tool for creators who want cinematic flair and, how did they do that? Effects without a degree in visual effects. Runway offers a suite of advanced AI features. One standout is the magic eraser, or in-painting. Imagine filming a perfect take, but a coffee cup or clutter distracts in the background. Draw a mask over it, and the AI removes it seamlessly, like Photoshop's content-aware fill for video. Then there's text-to-video generation. Type a prompt, like a drone shot flying over a futuristic city at sunset, and the AI generates a short video clip. This is a game changer for B-roll, letting you create unique visuals instantly instead of searching stock footage. Runway also offers background replacement without a green screen, placing you anywhere from a studio to a beach. The pros? Access to pro-level effects at a fraction of the cost and learning curve of software like Adobe After Effects, perfect for stunning B-roll or cleaning up shots. The cons, slightly steeper learning curve than Descript or OpusClip, and higher pricing as advanced features consume credits. For example, a product reviewer could remove reflections with Magic Eraser, or a documentary creator could generate abstract visuals to illustrate complex topics. Runway lets you create visuals once reserved for big-budget studios. So, which AI video editor should you use? It depends on your content. Descript is ideal for YouTubers starting out or creating dialogue-heavy content like talking heads, tutorials, podcasts, or interviews. It saves time above all else. OpusClip is the ultimate growth hack for Shorts creators, quickly repurposing long-form content to multiply output. Runway suits ambitious creators wanting cinematic effects, unique B-roll, and visually stunning videos without complex software. Don't get overwhelmed. Pick the tool that fits your immediate goal. If editing main videos takes too long, start with Descript. Need more Shorts content? Start with OpusClip. Feel your videos are visually bland? Start with Runway. These 3 AI tools can save hours and make your videos look pro, even if you've never edited before. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. For more AI tools to grow and monetize on YouTube, hit subscribe and check out the next video on your screen.